What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Bodyweight exercises are lately making quite a buzz in the fitness world, thanks to its simplicity and practicality that allows you to get in shape through your own body weight. Planks, for starters, are one type of bodyweight exercise that never gets old no matter what. This exercise is perfect for those who lead a busy life and find it very difficult to go to the gym due to time constraints. Doing a plank every day, even just for a minute, helps strengthen your entire core. In fact, most fitness experts said themselves that planking is one of the top effective exercises to tone your six-pack. They are even more effective than crunches. Keep on watching to know what happens to you when you do planking every day for 60 seconds. Number 1. It significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal column injury. When exercising, there's also the risk of getting back and spine injuries. With planking, when done correctly, you will strengthen your back muscles without needing to put too much pressure on your hips and spine. As a result, it helps ease back pain, all the while helping you have a great posture when sitting and walking. Number 2. It defines your abs. Planks target every major core muscle, that's why. By major core muscles, we mean all your obliques and abdominal. Moreover, as you get better and stronger at your planks, you'll also get stronger when it comes to performing other exercises. For instance, if you're a frequent gym goer, you'll notice a huge strength increase in several compound lifts like squats and deadlift. And good news for ladies as well, because planking also boosts gains in your booty. Number 3. It boosts your overall metabolism. Planks are a compound exercise, thus it engages several muscles at the same time. Now, what does this entail, you ask? In essence, you'll be burning a ton more calories at the same time than it would take to perform other abdominal exercises, say crunches or sit-ups. Furthermore, building up your muscles also leads to more calories being burnt. That's because the more muscles you have, the faster your metabolism will be. Number 4. It enhances your overall balance. Have you tried standing on one leg but then you were unable to stand up straight or more than a few seconds? If you tripped even when you're completely sober and feeling okay, then it's because your abdominal muscles weren't strong enough to maintain the balance you needed. Planking for 1 minute every day improves your overall balance. Ultimately, it will enhance your performance in whatever sporting activity. Number 5. It benefits you mentally. Did you know that plank exercises have a certain influence on our nerves? Consequently, this makes them an amazing method of improving a person's overall mood. For starters, planking stretches out muscle groups that influence stress and tension in the body. When you're sitting or standing all day long, your muscles get tight and tension forms in your shoulders, making you slump forward the whole day. Situations like these stressed out the muscles and nerves. Through planks, you can calm your brain while helping you treat anxiety and even depression symptoms. So, will you start doing planks tomorrow? If so, make sure to come back here and share your results after a month of regular planking. In the meantime, you can leave some comments below about this video.